Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel coming at you today with this Ford F250 crew cab short bed 2005 model, Lariat, lifted, wheels, tires, super nice truck. We are just going to do a peek through on the inside today, go around the body, point out a couple little blemishes. It's going to be a cold start too. We have not driven this vehicle in a couple of days. Little seam split on the leather, but it's not torn up or shredded up. It's really clean. Heated seats, power adjustable with lumbar. It is hot out today. Like I said, mechanically it's a cold start, but it is 90 degrees today. Fires right up just like it should. No check engine lights, no problems, no issues. Ice cold AC. It is a hard loaded truck. It's got every option but the sunroof. Factory trailer brakes, digital climate control AC, four-wheel drive on the fly. Steering wheel controls, you got all your radio on there. And you also got the fan control for the AC on there too, which works. Cruise control, power windows, locks, mirrors. Super loaded truck. Like I said, everything but the sunroof. We got the overhead console with the sunglass holder in it. But as far as the miles go, pretty good. 163,592. So not a lot of miles on it. It's a very clean, nice, unabused truck. 6.0 Powerstroke. It is bone stock with the exception of a 4-inch MBRP exhaust. But let's go ahead and pop the hood and check it out real quick. Stock studs, stock EGR intact still. It is a dealer maintained truck. I was told it was an old man's truck that pulled a fifth wheel camper occasionally with it. Stock when I got it. No cooling pressure. We've had the truck on the scanner. We've gone through it fully. It has zero issues mechanically. No blow by. Pretty clean under the hood. It's actually a really nice truck. This walk around is going to be pretty simple and quick and to the point. There's not a lot to point out here actually. The paint's in great shape, the chrome's in great shape, the logo it's a little faded but it's still really nice. We've got brand new 20x12 Cali Offroad wheels, and that is a 35 1250 amp all-terrain tire. 40,000 mile tread warranty. They're brand new wheels and tires. They have 5 miles on them. Truck's got a 3-inch leveling kit on it. It has the upgraded door pad entry. I'm looking over the side of this truck and there's actually not a single paint or body fault to point out. I don't see any scratches. I don't see any fade. There's no rust. I'm going to bring you down to the rockers for a quick look. A little bit of surface down there. Extremely minimal. We got airbags on the rear, and we do have a leather folding tonneau cover. Let's go ahead and take a peek at this bed real quick. It's got the factory liner and a set of fifth wheel rails in there for camper towing. Tailgate straight. It is not beat up, dinged up, chipped up. It's dang near perfect. So is the rear bumper. Hands down, this is one of the cleaner trucks I've seen in a long time. 4-inch exhaust, MBRP. It's not super loud. There's a little bit of paint imperfection right there. It's actually just soot from the exhaust. It sounds good. It's not super loud. It's actually just barely above stock. So really nice exhaust system. Keeps the truck a little bit cooler. Go ahead and get this. These wheels are negative 44 offset, so I want you to see the body lines. They stick out a little bit. They got some stance to them. Factory running boards. There's a couple little bubbles of rust down there starting. Nothing terrible. You can't see it, but it is there. Truck's been fully detailed. Leather's been treated. Carpet's done, shampooed. Smells great. I'm not a smoker. It does not smell like a smoker's truck. Power seats, heated seats on the passenger side as well. Oh, that air feels great. Just giving you all the views. So I mean, there's really not a lot to point out. Here's a couple little baby dings right here in the door. I mean, they're tiny. I'm stretching to try to show you anything. There's one right there. It's a rock chip. Tiny little ding. So you got a couple little baby dings, but that's about it. Super clean truck. We've serviced it fully, front end suspension. We've checked everything on the scanner. It's 100% ready to go. We do not sell a bad product, so have faith in us. This truck is turnkey, ready to go, clean title in hand. If you're interested, here's all the details. 816 Diesel is our shop. We're downtown I-35 and I-70, Kansas City area. Phone number at the shop, 816-298-7030. That's the landline. Hop on our website, 816diesel.com. Website's gonna have pictures, VIN number, anything you might need. Most important, it's gonna have my cell phone, 913-735-3748. My name's Cameron. Call me, text me anytime, day, night, doesn't matter. If there's anything you want to know about this truck, I will get it to you. We'll do whatever it takes to show it to you. So let me know, guys. I appreciate your time. We'll see you on the next one.